Karbi Students Association holds massive protest against subclause 2.3 in Dongkamukam and Volokomaji. Good morning, viewers. You're watching Karbi Anglong Live with your host Julie Baby. Now the news and details. The Karbi Students Association organized a massive protest at Dongkamukam town in demand for the immediate repeal of the subclause 2.3 of the peace accord. Here is a report. KSA President Samson Teron led the protest, during which all of the leaders and members accompanied him to express their strong opposition and condemnation. The students' body has demanded that the subclause be implemented, scrapped, terming it to be the biggest threat to the tribal people of the Twin Hill districts of Karbi Anglong. Interacting with local media, that is what KSA President Samson Teron has said.
Kedam tang September tarik 3 arni kang sam Karbi Anglong along risim kang tang pen kache song bom la so song throk a song atum kache song pen mon sam aphan pura delhi rong supia long la so isi lamdon kache tok do halabang so lamdon kache tok pen Karbi Anglong aphan la so ing samji na tomon ke wanji pu khamatha pen lamdon kache tok putha ke nil tum bena kur bang tu pajir lo ni tum bena ning ing sam lo Karbi Anglong along Kibang jilang apor an so se peace ke doji aphan bangen netung Karbi lo charlia song hin pen tame netung kadu ka we aphan tame tung kai ke pen da chuning rido la pen non la so lam don pen mai Karbi Anglong tame peace dopo la pen ing samjin po putum ning thelo central government tum ladak bidikang lim pen ang ke claim dun hala lam don ka che tok long clause 2.3 labang so clause long bang isi Karbi Anglong mate 6 schedule area aphan isi kana hok ke tan labang so lam na ke tok dun dak ko la so put ha pot nil tum ben stame Karbi lo charlia song ben stame tum Kroy tek thela pen kroy une comment to nesta mela bang so close bang pa implement long le la bang ke tum Karbi la lo charlia song pila budak ne tum Dongkamukam hawara long pen sine tum waidak pen ile tum stame pachini dun lo la pen la bang so putha ka bang prabjin ben alang li tum stame la so close bang kalang tum ben ka pe pride je phan sine tum hin pen so dak pen pachini lo la bang so bang el tum pa depi posin le tum ning jenang kong malam thela hello Karbi Anglong along ke pinidak Litung komane akhaya phan Karbi mate tribal akhaya bena kaprek phan tum kelang selet la pokam kali labang so bang ke ha 1951 an inkan council nang ipialong masin litum hanang tok dum daklo la ke 6 schedule areas along le phelang atomon kado kawia bang ahem phu ke tribal to belo mena bhani tum sotak ben pachini lo nang litum apor ke do hut la solam chepe keng non kali pulotang te Karbi lo charlia song pen litum nang litum phan democratic aron pen tum nak che song ing tang kring menang che song i labang so ka che song along jong si konat ni pen kada hok do ko pote government of Assam government of India laben Karbi Anglong autonomous council authority tum adai che ni pusin tum Karbi lo charlia song tum pen dak pen pachini dak lo Please record 2.3 July diok Please record 2.3 batil korok long live struggles long live namaste
Similar protest was held at Volokomaji, during which the KSA CEC AGS Ajay Rongchihon warned that if subclause 2.3 of the peace accord is not removed, they will be forced to take strong recourse to democratic movement, and the government would be held responsible for any situation that may arise out of it.
Nilitum Karbi lo charlia song pen la song trok sim kang tang ke ora song atum la da hong ke wange nilitum pen ke welcome lo most welcome lo alang litum da hong ke wange si alang litum la ke dam tang ni 5 clear ni September ni la bangso India government la pen Assam government nang bong di sekor la bangso ka che tok along ke do an a close ni tamen nitum hang ning ko ave la pen ki pudam ji tamen nitum puding tum ke si tamela is on close 2.3 la so long e do la close 2.3 long e tok la bangke tum si schedule la ro long si 10 seat open for all community bu salang itum ketong lasi lagi open for all community pulotang de lake dangong ko anna dang itum Karbi Anglong long bang ke tume don tame lang tum tame dang thudun long pu lasi la bangen tum Karbi lo charlia song men tame astata chedon ne athema tum chini melo Karbi Anglong ke lage 6 schedule area 6 schedule area pulotang de itum dange bang ke tum ke long le phelang ta nam long le pulotang de itum nali tum da chini pom de ke dam tang ko ane ningkan ke thom ningkan pia prang tame hala ham phang song tum tame isi dak MSC do elected MSC bange thom tuma tame alang li tum tame kes ki pido lo je la bange election nang thu du long le pura ajo ne ja kes tame hai de do sipwa ti tame hai de pen tame non itum la dak Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council la BJP ke chari tum be la itum kachingol la resim kang tang tum ben la bang so ekor long je sign nun de la bang so 2.3 close close 2.3 long jet pa undet bang nil tu mangal ka sat jet don unde yes long leg 2.3 go back.
Vicky Bay from Dongkamukam and Velson Terang from Bolongkomaji for Karbi Anglong Live.
Come one, come all to the third Interchurch Football Tournament, come awareness program on addiction and human trafficking, organized by Community Health and Development Program, Baptist Christian Hospital, Tejpur, a unit of Emmanuel Hospital Association, New Delhi, in collaboration with AKBCLFYD for both women and men. Registration starts from September 1 to September 20, 2021 at Potaro Playground, Dongmukak. For more detail, contact 8638 398 440.
There is no let up in the opposition and outrage against the peace accord. And the All-Party Hills Leaders Conference Mahamai Constituency Committee on Tuesday evening held a torch rally in Paklongkam to express their strong opposition against the sub-clause 2.3 of the peace accord. The regional party of the area held the torch rally covering more than 6 kilometers to demand immediate withdrawal of the controversial sub-clause in the peace accord, which was signed on September 4 with Santa. The rally, organized by APHLC Mahamai Constituency Committee, commenced at 7 p.m. from Langhirang LP School playground. During the torch rally, participants expressed their deep resentment and vehement opposition against the sub-clause 2.3 of the peace accord to keep the 10 seats of the Autonomous Council open for all communities. The protesters say that keeping 10 seats for open category is not only a threat but is harakiri, as it contradicts the very existence and mission of the Sikh cell, which is to protect the indigenous tribes. The protesters demanded the birth or reservation. Further, the protesting regional party stated that sub-clause 2.3 of the peace accord is unacceptable at any cost and must be scrapped immediately, and warned that they will continue strong but democratic movement and protest against it. The party also informed that they have filed their objection at the High Court and planning to move to the Supreme Court. Mahamai Constituency Committee President Mongol Singh Teron, Harakhat LA General Secretary Robi Singh Ronghang, Youth Wing President among others, led the torch rally program, which was concluded at 9 p.m.
Langhirang LP School Pathua Klamalong Pen Dak Mulajan Habekro Krong Thom Tuar Kachit Tokan Nilitum Kilometer Ner Kepne Sose Ajak Nilitum Metheng Tompen Nang Chisong Wangsi Niltum Dak Anang Palilu Bangso Akachisong Ponangko Kelahenlo Non Het Jong Tarik Free Arni Bangso Chiklo Tim Karbi Anglong Mate Tuliram Ronghang Lapen MP Horen Singh Bia Ke Hai Tum Japon Si Da Karbi Anglong Risim Kiot Kangtang Pen Tim Song Trok Asong atum phan Japon si hadil hi arong supian pali damlo bangso ke Japon ke lake monsam po amen bense alang itum Japon iglo halaso monsam ke Japon ke non bang ke itum Karbia rat aphan monsam kali monduk puse honda hokdam nang kokpo
kopi pose da ka song nang kok make nilitum chini je Karbi Anglong sit cap abang ke yordam dadlo athema ilitum arlenge the tum la pan ke thek the ka joglu akhai tulram Ronghang stame alang li Karbi Anglong ke bhar lecture thek piglo bonsami New Delhi long damlo hindi anta nengi dun thek the arlenge the amase hola sit ke babang ta holang lu dun plot khangyang lo la se ne tum ningduk piglo selebang so lam don alang li tum chi prepare ti ke nil tum la so me theng tom pen ni tum che song bom ji la pen che song veri
Samsung Inches report from Dongmukak for Karbi Anglong Live. In a very tragic incident on Wednesday, a woman was killed after a big tree fell into a house. The victim was inside the house when the incident took place, during which the heavy roof and branches of the trees fell on her and killed her on the spot. The deceased lady had been identified as 49 years old Chati Sahu, wife of late Juhit Sahu. She lived near Dhandaghat market along with her family. The incident happened at around 1:30 p.m. in the afternoon. It was raining heavily along with heavy storm. Suddenly, lightning occurred and it hit the tree. The falling tree smashed on the roof of Chati's house and took her life.
মানুহজনীৰ নাম হৈছে তিত্ৰী চাহু তেওঁৰ গিৰিয়েকৰ নাম হৈছিলে লেট জহিত চাহু তেওঁ
বয়স কিমান হ'ব
মিনিমাম আপোনাৰ 49 ইয়াৰ্ছ হৈছিলে 1:30 PM এটা এনেকা ধৰণৰ বিজুলী এটা মাৰিছে যে এই বিজুলীৰ প্ৰকোপত এই গছটো পৰি আহিছে আৰু এই মানে কিবা মহিলাজনীৰ মানে মৃত্যু ঘটিলে এই সমষ্টিৰ EM ছাৰ শ্ৰী ৰাজু চিছু ছাৰৰ তাত মোৰ আবেদন এটা আছে যে এই যোন ঘটনাটো ঘটিছে আৰু তেওঁৰ ঘৰৰ পৰিস্থিতি যিটো আছে তাৰ ঘৰত যে এটা গিৰিয়েক মানুহ নাই ইহঁতি দুজনীয়ে যে সংহাৰ খাই আছে তাৰ কাৰণে কিবা এটা আপুনি ব্যৱস্থা কৰে যেন এই মোৰ আপোনাৰ তাত আপত্তি থাকিছে
Relatives of the deceased women had sought assistance from local MEC and KAEC Raju Tiso so that the lone survivor in the family can live with honor. Something from Dongmuka, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, those were the top stories for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.